In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for Apollo.io account. If you're new to Apollo.io, it's a sales intelligence and outreach platform that helps you find prospects, enrich data, and manage sequences. So getting your account set up correctly will save you time later. I'll walk you through the simplest path using Google, and I'll share a few helpful tips along the way. Start on the Apollo.io homepage. Look toward the top right corner of the screen and click the button that says Sign Up for Free. This takes you directly into the account creation flow. If you're on a smaller display or a mobile device, the button might be tucked into a menu icon. Just open the menu and you'll see the same Sign Up for Free option. Before you click, make sure you're on a trusted network and a private device, since you'll be connecting an account you use regularly. Next, on the sign up screen, choose Sign Up with Google. This is the fastest way to get started because it uses your existing Google login, so you don't have to create and remember a new password. When you select Sign Up with Google, a small window or new tab will appear. If it doesn't, check whether your browser blocked a pop-up and allow it just this once. Using Google Sign In also means Apollo will confirm your identity without sharing your Google password with them. It's handled securely through Google's authentication. If you're using a work computer, it's a good idea to confirm that your organization allows connecting business tools with Google. Then select the account you want to use. In the Google window, you'll see a list of accounts that are currently signed in on your browser. Click the one you want to associate with Apollo.io. If you don't see the right one listed, sign out of any accounts you don't intend to use or switch to the correct profile in that same Google prompt. You may be asked to grant basic permissions so Apollo can create your profile. Review what's shown and continue. After you choose the account, give the page a moment to process. If your browser spins for a bit, that's normal while Google and Apollo complete the handshake. That's it. You've initiated your Apollo.io account using Google. From here, just follow any on-screen onboarding tips inside Apollo to tailor your workspace. If anything seems stuck, refresh the page, confirm you're using the intended Google profile, and try again. Thanks for watching and enjoy exploring Apollo.io.